did a beautiful job on the body. Looks really good. It's not a licensed body or anything, but it does look good. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Rocky from Rockside RC. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We picked up the Apex2. This is the rally car. You know, it's a 1/10 scale car. Looks like a great chassis. You know, I want to see exactly what we can do with this thing. A few of my buddies picked up a few different chassis, basically from Tamiya, Kyosho, etc. We're going to do an unboxing. So, just to show you guys the car, looks really good. All right. So this is the car that they provide. Very nice. Color, the styling of it. Show you the chassis real quick. So this vehicle is four-wheel drive. Okay. Just to show you guys. They do give you plastic links all the way around, front and rear. It does come with a Sport 550 reading 15 turn 3-slot motor. This is a brushed motor and ESC, which we're going to turn it into a brushless system today. Let's get this thing out and let's see what we can do. Alright guys, we're going to do a little test run with the A550, also known as the A550 from Team Associated. Let's check this car out. Got some batteries in it. Let's go. Alright, we're going to take a rip in the grass a little bit. We'll hit a little dirt. And we'll hit the street real quick just to see how it performs. Nice. I was kind of concerned about the taller grass, but it's actually doing pretty well. Nice, ripping up the grass. Handling's nice. Wants to diff out a lot. So. All right. That's a nice takeoff. I like it. Definitely like it with that hobby wing system in it. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a closer look of the Team Associated A550. This is a 10 scale vehicle, so usually like on a Traxxas 4Tech, you'd be able to fit like a 3S battery, something similar to this, but that's not the case. If you do purchase this vehicle, and if you do not get the one with the battery included, you will have to get a short case. I want to show you guys that. Figured I'll show you guys the layout of the chassis. So I bought this vehicle last year. Obviously I upgraded it already with the hobby wing system in it, the ESC and the motor. It is a censored system. A few other things I did to the vehicle. I ended up changing the tires. I like them a little bit better because they're already vented. The tires feel really, really good, you know? So in the dirt, they, you know, have pretty decent traction. Just to give you guys a quick look, this is the receiver box. So you have your rear, your center, and your front diff. The drive shaft is here, your center drive shaft. They give us dog bones all the way around. Just to warn you guys, this vehicle does not come with bearings. It comes with bushings. They do give us oil-filled shocks, front and rear. The positioning on the shocks are pretty much standard, it looks like. I think there's maybe one other hole that you can adjust it to if you want to lay the shock down a little bit. Same thing in the rear. Looks like there's one more hole here. You can adjust the shocks if you want to lay them down just a little bit more. Not a bad vehicle, but again, just to remind you, this vehicle does not come with bearings.